This video tutorial I will explain how to insert the document using a save method. Here you can see the syntax of save method. db dot name of the collection dot save method and pass the document. To insert the document we can use save method, and in this document if you are not specifying underscore id, then save method will work same like a insert method. It will create one document in the collection. In the document, if you specify underscore id, then it will replace the whole data of the document. We will see the example now. First, create the book DB. Right click, open IntelliShell. db.books.save, and inside that specify the document. Books is the collection name. Here we have not specified underscore id, so one document will be inserted. I am executing this, and here you can see one document is inserted. We can verify that. Here you can see one document is inserted. Next we will see how to update this document using a save method. Copy this ID, add it here. I am changing the name to Peter. I am removing basic Java. Then I am executing this, and this time the document is updated. So modified we got 1. We can cross verify. Click on refresh, and here you can see the name is changed to Peter, and one tax has been removed. Next we will see how to insert multiple documents using a save method. db.books, then save method, then we have to specify array of documents. This is the first document, then comma, then the second document. Execute this, and here you can see there are 2 documents are inserted. So we got inserted as 2. We can cross verify. Currently one document is there. Refresh, and here you can see 3 documents are there now. Next we will see how to save the document using Mongo shell. Using use command, I switch to bookdb, and current DB is bookdb. Then db.books.save, and inside save method I have specified one document. Click on enter, and here you can see one document is successfully inserted. We can cross verify using find method. Here you can see in books collection one document is there. Next we will see how to insert multiple documents using save method. db.books.save, and inside that we have to specify array of documents. Array start here, and it ends here. Inside array, this is the first document, then comma, then the second document. Click on enter, and here you can see the output. Two documents are successfully inserted, so we got two here. We can cross verify using find method. And here you can see two more documents are inserted in the books collection. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.